Good morning to one and all. I, along with the course coordinator, Dr. Preeti Dharmik, welcome all the registered participants of UGC approved 1 week workshop on MOOCs, online courses and open educational resources, which is beginning from today. All of you are aware that we are passing through an unprecedented time phase due to COVID-19 pandemic since last few months. This situation compelled us to follow certain protocols like maintaining social distancing, avoiding the large gathering, traveling, etc. This has to a great extent impacted our activities at the workplace, making it difficult to organize face-to-face training programs for our participants. Further, we have no idea about when this situation will come back to normalcy, looking at the worsening position day by day. Hence, we requested our Honorable Vice Chancellor to allow us to organize this workshop in online mode, for which he gave his kind consent. Dear participants, I think online teaching is the only way ahead in time to come. We have already witnessed that how difficult it is to conduct face-to-face academic activities, be it exams, theory classes, practicals, etc. in this kind of situation. In this background, I think a course on MOOCs, OC and open educational resources is going to be a boon, as it will prepare our fraternity to get equipped themselves, acquire skills and knowledge, so that they can host their own online courses for their students. I think course coordinator, out of her experience, has given enough thought and emphasis on all the required skills and will make an attempt to imbibe those skills amongst the fellow participants through various sessions during this workshop in days to come. The only mandatory requirement is your involvement and readiness to adapt to the changing scenario, without which survival is going to be a big question. Therefore, I urge all of you, dear participants, to be attentive, follow all the instructions given by the coordinator from time to time, complete all the assignments and tasks in time. There is going to be a WhatsApp group of participants where they can raise their queries or put difficulties for the coordinator or for the resource persons and get those resolved parallelly. With these few words, I once again welcome all of you and wish happy online learning with us